Hello everyone, in this video we will see how you can use the UI testing feature of Kusho AI. So Kusho AI has a AI powered CLI designed to simplify UI testing. So instead of writing endless scripts, you can just record your interaction once and Kusho will take care of the rest, removing the repetitive work from the test creation. Let's see how you can do that. So we have a GitHub repository ready for it, where you can clone the GitHub repository and run the Kusho recorder. Before doing that, we need Node.js installed and also a terminal editor. So in this video, I will be using Vim, and you can use other editor as well like Nano. It depends on your operating system as well. So after that, you can clone this repository on your system and you have to open it as well. So you can use all the commands of Kusho AI in using terminal, or you can use any IDE as well. So I will be using VS Code for this. So I will open it. I will navigate to where I have the Kusho CLI. Yeah. So after that is done, we will open a new terminal and we will run some basics command like npm install, and we will also needing Playwright as well. So we will be doing npx Playwright install. After that is done, we will use npm link command. All these commands are mentioned in the documentation and in GitHub repository, so you can check it out from that or from this video. So we will use npm link. Link will be we will use link to basically use the Kusho commands globally across your terminal. So we will use npm link. After that, I will do Kusho credentials. You have to write your credentials here to use the CLI, UI testing CLI. So it will ask us the email that we are using the Kusho AI website with, and also the CLI auth token. So I will be showing you how you can get the CLI auth token. So I will just write my email here and I will click enter. And for the CLI token, you have to go to our website. You need to sign in or log in. So I am already signed in. So I will just click on login, and it will lead me to this page. You can choose API testing or UI testing. So I will click on UI testing. You can choose it manually from here as well. And all the documentation is here as well. How you can use this UI testing feature. This is where the UI CLI or token will be at the very top. I will copy this token and I will paste it here. Yeah, after this is done, we can use the Kusho's command and let's see how you can record a website. So I will use Kusho record. So it will open a Chromium tab for me. And this is the how the UI looks like. I will go to a new tab and let's take a small example of Amazon.in. I will just write that, and I will click on continue shopping. So here are the Playwright scripts updating of whatever I'm doing. So I just click on continue shopping, so it's updating. So I will click on search bar and let's search for, let's say, car, and search it. Yeah, didn't click it properly. And yes, these are also registered. So go filter car, and you can stop it from here as well. So I will pause this recording or stop this recording, and I will close this tab. So in the terminal, we got our script ready. We have to name it. So I will just write ph demo, the file name, and click on enter. So this is the Playwright script that I have shown before. So we will save it. So I'm using Vim, so I will use WQ, and it will analyze the script and generate the test cases for us. and here we go. So these are some of the test cases that it has generated for us. So like test searching for a product with valid search term car. You can edit it using I button with for Vim, but I don't want to edit anything or add any other test case. So we will just go with this one only, and I will save and run. So it is creating test variations for us. So let's wait a while and see what type of test it has created. Yeah, so number of generations are 17, and to test it, we can use Kusho run latest. So Kusho run latest is a command which is used to run the latest test that you have created, or you can just write the name of the file as well. So in this case, we had the ph demo, so I can write that as well, or I can just run Kusho run latest. So it's running 15 tests using 4 workers. Yeah, so this is where your tests would be saved. Okay, so all our tests are executed. So this will automatically open a report on our browser, or you can click on the local host ID that it gives to you. So this is something that it has given us, the playwright test report, and you can see some of them are passed, some of them are failed, and you can check anything. So let's click on this one. So it will give a whole test of that. So test searching with special characters in search field. This is the error name or the test name, and it will be it use some special cases on the search one. And you can check another one as well. So yeah, test clicking with search button without entering any term, and this is working. And yeah, I think this is it for the video. And if you want to test Kusho CLI UI testing feature, you can go to this repository. We will be providing you with the link as well, and you can use some different commands as well that you can just use a URL while using Kusho record, or you can use any device emulation as well, and custom viewport too. And I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one.